Did you know you can start a business with just N20,000? Dropshipping is an exciting way to make money online. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with minimal investment. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You simply take orders, and your supplier ships directly to customers. Let's break down how to begin this journey step by step. First, research your niche. Find a market that interests you. Popular niches include fashion, electronics, or health products. This helps you stay motivated and engaged. Next, choose a reliable supplier. Websites like AliExpress or Oberlo can help. Make sure they have good reviews and fast shipping times. This ensures customer satisfaction. Then, create your online store. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. They offer user-friendly templates to design your store without coding. Set up your payment methods like bank transfers or mobile money. Now, promote your products. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. Share engaging content to attract potential customers. You can also run ads with small budgets to reach more people. Once orders start coming in, manage them efficiently. Communicate well with both suppliers and customers. Keep your customers informed about their order status. To illustrate, imagine selling trendy phone cases. You can source them from a supplier for N1,500. If you sell each case for N3,000, you make a profit of N1,500. Selling just 20 cases means you've earned N30,000. In summary, start your dropshipping journey with N20,000 by researching your niche, choosing reliable suppliers, creating an online store, promoting products, and managing orders efficiently. Ready to take action? Start your dropshipping business today. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to grow your online revenue.